All right, welcome everybody to session number 2. We should have, wait, who are, which, with their last name, with their last name? With the last name, okay, and then the other person is? All right, so we'll have 2 of the organizers, BE. Okay, so Mansi, do you want to unmute and let's kick off session 2. You can turn on video and kick off session 2.
Hi, can you see me? Okay. Hi, so I'm one of the organizers of the HackathonX that you're all part of. And basically what I do is I'm the design officer. So all those the logo and all the designs that you see up on our social media, that's basically what I do and the stuff that we put up there. So being part of this hackathon has really been amazing for the past month, and the team's just really welcoming, and we're really happy to have you all over here and be part of this big event that we've really put in a lot of work, and we hope that you enjoy and have fun over the next 2 days. So I'll give it off to the next organizer.
Mansi, and what school are you in?
Oh, okay, so I'm 17 and I'm from NPS.
NPS, awesome, thank you.
Yes, yes.
Why am I teacher Terry? Okay, thank you, Mansi. And let me change my name. And then we have, who's up next? Harshita. Harshita, you want to unmute and say hi to everybody?
Hi, everyone. So I'm Harshita. I'm also 17 and in NPS. So my position in this team was the media officer. So I was in charge of the Instagram and the socials, essentially. So if you message HackathonX, it's probably me who replied. So I'm really glad to see that there's so many people here and that there's a huge turnout. We really appreciate all of you here. I love being a part of this team. It was absolutely an amazing experience. We have a wonderful team of chiefs and other organizers. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy the hackathon for the next 2 days. And yes, NPS gang.
Awesome. Thank you, Harshita. You guys have done an amazing job, student committee. So you've now met Vasundhara, you've met Mansi, you met Harshita. You'll meet a few more people in the next time. Guys, can we all put a thank you very much to Harshita and to Mansi in the chat, please? They put in a tremendous, tremendous amount of work organizing this. And guys, remember, not just thank you. Thank you for what? There we go, this guy. Thank you for being legends. What else we got? Thank you both. Okay, I guess more than thank you. So a little bit more like thank you for being Apex legends. Cool. Thank you for organizing this. Yes, thank you for your effort. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Harshita and Mansi. This guy put the names down. Awesome. Guy or girl, I didn't, it was too fast. Thank you for a free event, lol. Okay. All right. All right, we're gonna get sessions 2 started. Let's go. In session 2, this is a beginner session or new coder session 2. Advanced coders can stay if you guys want to hang out, but your session will start at 2:30 on the Meet link, the Google Meet link, okay? It might get slightly delayed, but you guys can be there. So I'll just quickly show you again. There's been a few updates. So let me share my screen. Can you see my screen? Yeah. On the day, if you go to on the day, it should be a lot clearer now. So there are workshop 2 new coders, workshop 2 advanced coders. You can click on this. To show your progress of code during the workshops, you can fill out this form here. For office hours question, you can fill out your form here, or you can join the Discord. And then the schedule is over here, right? So guys, all the information is here. For recordings, update on recordings. So it turns out Zoom takes twice the amount of time to process the recordings as the recording. So it will take 3 hours to process this morning's recordings, and therefore I cannot upload it yet. So I am sorry about that. However, what we can do is go ahead and get started. So let me share the coding link for today. All right, here is the link. Here's the link in chat. I put it in chat that we will use today. I will let you all open it. Did the link work for you? Okay, hold on, let me check. That's what you get. You guys rickroll me in the morning, I'll rickroll you back. Get out of here. What do you think this is, Noob Town? There we go. There we go. Got you. All right, session's over, guys. Let's go. Time to leave. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All right. Don't mess. No, I'm kidding. All right. This is not the cancel. All right, guys. Ciao. Canceled. Bye. No, I'm back. I couldn't leave you guys. We're having too much fun here. I forgot what we were actually doing. What was the plan actually today? Oh, yeah. Okay. We were gonna do, okay. All right. Let me show you a few things. Okay. All right. I will stop chat so we can actually do some real work. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. So check this out. We have a few examples of some really good things. This is what we'll learn in this session. Session 2 is like, how do we get animation to happen? All right, this is what we're gonna try to do. So this is a sun, this is a rising sun. And so this is what we're gonna learn. Before that, however, let me just show you what some of your classmates have done. So this seems to be a car, a flying car, it seems, which is awesome. And guys, this is really all you need. All you need is something like this to I guess, like win the hackathon or get to have a submission. Like, we really don't need much. This person put in effort. Like, look at this cloud, the amount of effort put into the cloud. You can't draw that with just one circle. They put multiple circles. They put an effort in here, right? Effort is what we're looking for. This person's also really cool. They have, looks like a frog, another cloud head. The tongue moves around with the mouse. We haven't done this yet. Oh, this is one of our students. This is a Stripe student. That's why. And then there's is that an Apple Watch moving around? Oh, okay. Am I supposed to put the, oh, it's a medicine. Oh, okay. All right, medicine. Ah, it's not working. Okay. So this is cool. And then we have this one done by this person. You can see the effort that they put in here. Like, look at this nose, right? It's not easy to make a nose like this that has one part missing. So that's the kind of effort I'm talking about. They have rounded edges here. Top has a red line. Like, this is cool, man. Just with one session, it's cool. They use Radian, so this is probably an older student. Then we have, this is also awesome. They have exclamation marks going on. And then this is a beard with nostrils. This is pretty cool. Again, rounded edges, rounded corners, gold filling. Like, this is someone that's put in effort, right? So I love it. This is pretty cool. Maybe this is the future of schools on wheels, or maybe this is a bus. Maybe this is a bus. we can put in some colors in here. So whoever did this can put in colors. But this is also a really good start. Wonderful usage of rectangles. Notice how they have a rectangle, an input missing, right? So this worked out, but just be careful with inputs missing. What you can also do is use square. And then 20. I think square works. And so if we comment this out, this will work like a square. Okay. Then we have, this one's also really nice. They put in the effort to make a sideways triangle, curved mouth. They're using what we're learning, which is exactly what we want. And then this one's really cool. So they have a semicircle going on. I'm guessing it's overlap shapes. So they have overlap circles. Again, a half, no, this is a semicircle. What is this called? What's a crescent? This is called crescent, right? Crescent is overlap circles. Again, here they have overlapped. You can see the little rectangle sticking out of here at the top. Do you see that on the right? So this person also put in some good effort. I love the fact that only half the eye is showing here. And there's a little tooth, I guess. It's a tooth that's coming out. So again, good, really good effort, folks. And this is all we're looking for. That's it. Like, as straightforward as this. This can be the future of pirates, maybe, right? Just like submit this as future of pirates. And then this one's cool because this one has this line going through in the tongue, right? So in this line, you can see, I'm not sure how they did this line. Yeah, I actually don't know how they did this. But it's not straightforward to do this. Powder blue, is that even a thing? I didn't know you could do powder blue. Okay, let's use this person's code to show you something new. So colors, okay? Colors at the moment with these words are slightly limited, right? So what we can do is I will open up Google and search HTML color picker. Okay, guys, do you see what I'm searching? HTML color picker. So there is this display here, and I can pick a color. So I'm gonna pick my favorite shade of blue, which is somewhere around here. There we go. This is my favorite shade of blue, okay? So I have my favorite color. Now at the bottom left, you will see it says RGB, right? RGB stands for red, green, blue. So I will copy these three numbers. Copy. And instead of the word, I can remove the word and remove the quotations, right? Like note, I'm removing the quotations for this and paste the three numbers. And that's how we can also do colors using RGB values. All right, guys? So what RGB means, so let me teach a little bit. RGB means red, green, and blue. So what do I mean? Well, I can't type. So let's say I make red, the maximum value is 255. So I make the red maximum, the green 0, and the blue 0. I have a red background. Similarly, if I make the red 0, green maximum, and blue, then I have a green background. All right, does anybody want to tell me how do we get yellow? What mixture of red, green, and blue gives us yellow? Do you guys have access to chat? No, you guys don't. All right, I open up chat. What mixture of red, green, and blue would give you yellow? Okay, red and green. Let's try red and green. So let's do 255 red, 255 green, 0 blue. Yeah, that's yellow. Yeah, exactly. And so you can reduce the amount of green. So if I reduce it to 100, then it will be more red, less green, which gives orange, apparently, right? So there we go. This is how we can do color. So all like instead of fill as well, you can do a red, green, and blue. So if you want to be more picky with the color, or like more specific with the color that you put in, you can do this. Okay. All right. All right, Tagore, let's not spam people. All right, otherwise we're going to kick you out. Wonderful. Now what we'll do is we will actually learn. Oh, there's one more here I wanted to show. This one's cool. This person figured out how to make a really long canvas and then drew a huge person. So again, there's creativity, and they're trying different things. These are nice ears. So very well done, right? Amazing. Let's close this. And you guys know HTML color picker and just use RGB at the bottom. Cool. All right, let's turn off chat again. Oh yeah, this person, what did this person? Okay, low. This person made some nice advanced stuff. So whatever I type, let's try it. Okay, nice. Okay. Where is my code? Where is my code from the morning? Let's just hold on, guys. I know how to get it. We can go to HackathonX. We can go to on the day. People are asking questions. Just check this page. Advanced Coder starts at 2:30 at this link. And then I can open up this link for my code. It says Tamir right now. I don't want Tamir. I want it to be mine. So I save it. And then now it's mine. And it's auto checked. Cool. Then I run. All right. So let's talk about motion. All right, guys. So check this out. I will first draw a rectangle at 200, 200, center, 100 width, and 300 height. Actually, you know what? Let's bring it closer. Okay, so there's a couple things we can do. I will show you guys how to move the canvas and rotate the canvas. So this is how we move the canvas. I will put this line, note the line I'm putting. Also, wait, hold on, let me save this and I'll make this, no, stop. My computer's frozen. Okay, I'm gonna put this in chat. Could you put this link on the page, please? All right, so my link will be available on the page under Polkit's code if you want access to it. I've also put it in chat. All right, I'll try to keep saving it so you guys can keep getting the latest one. All right, so what I can do is I can do rotate, and let's put 100 for now. Let's do 300. Yeah, no, 100. Let's try this. So do you see how it rotates everything? When you do rotation, one thing you guys will need to do is in the setup function over here, write angle mode degrees. All right, I've saved my code again. Angle mode degrees is important. So this way you don't need to use radians, you can use degrees for rotation. So now let's do a 10-degree rotation. So notice how my axis, which used to be normal, has now rotated by 10 degrees, right? If I rotated by 30 degrees, my entire axis has rotated a little bit more. Do you guys see that? And so has whatever I drew on my page, that has also rotated. So we can do rotation like this. I put this rotate before strive.draw tick axes so that my tick axes also rotate. Notice if I change this and put this after the tick axes, my rectangle will rotate, but my axes will not rotate, right? Because the code will draw this, then it will rotate, and then it will draw the rotated rectangle. So for the demonstration purposes, I put the rotate before so that you can clearly see the rotation happening, okay? So I will remove the rotation for now. What we can do, the other thing we can do is we can move or shift our axes, okay? We can shift our things on the screen. So I will do translate, and look what happens if I translate 100x, 0y. Translate in x, in y. Saved it? Okay, so notice how my axis has shifted to the right by 100. It shifted by 100 because I put translate 100 over here. If I want to shift it down, I can add another number here, 50. There is, the axis has now come down by 50, right? So 100 right, 50 down. So if I want to put this in the center of my screen, my canvas is 400 by 400. So to put it in the center, I will translate by 200 in x and 200 in y. And now my axis is in the center. Awesome. Cool. My axis is now in the center, so you guys can see how this is working. Now check this out. After I translate, now I will rotate by 30. And remember, I have angle mode degrees. That's why my rotation looks correct. Keep this here. So I translate, then rotate, and then I draw my tick axes. So my tick axes, which used to be in the top left corner, have translated to the center, rotated by 45 degrees, and then I can now draw my rectangle. And notice my rectangle is drawn at 100, 100. Do you see how the corner of the rectangle is still at 100, 100, right? So the entire canvas changes, but the drawing still happens at the same coordinate point. So it's over here. Okay, I know this was quite a bit. Are there any questions on this so far, or does this make sense? Actually, let me do a poll. Does this make sense, yes or no? Oh, I forgot to remove the second question. All right, I'll remove the second question later. It's all right. This part is making sense to people. Oh, somebody stopped the poll. Let's relaunch it again. That's okay. All right. Seems like most people understand what's going on. Guys, if it says strive not defined, you're not using this link. You have to use this link. All right, guys? You have to use this link. If it says strive not defined, use this link. All right, what other questions are there? Hey, all right, everybody asking about advanced class. We have Tamir's here. We're gonna be outside. Yeah, plug in. You wanna say hi to everybody?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, all right. Guys, say hi to Tamir. Coming in.
Yo, hello. My goodness, that's a lot of people. 167 of you. Okay, what have you guys been up to?
We've been rotating and translating. Oh, dude, don't go in my corners, man. Corner.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rotating and translating.
Yeah.
Okay. So
All
let's
right, now go get out of here.
Okay.
Do
okay.
your advanced class. Oh, people are saying hi. Say hi back. Okay, now get out of here. All right, guys. Tamir is getting set up. He will be on the Zoom link. Oh no, the Google Meet link. Google Meet link. Sorry. And then can you check if he's all set up properly in the next 5 minutes? And then I'll let people go there. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Any questions? All right. If you want to know how to join the advanced chat, it's all on the website, guys. There is a big button that says Workshop Advanced Coders Join Meet Advanced Coders. It's all there. All right. If you guys want to go to the website. Website is HackathonX.strivemath.com. There's a big button that says on the day. Right? It's going to start in 5 minutes. Okay. All right. Let's get back to here. Let's not get distracted. So I will stop. Okay. All right. So we have translated, we have rotated, and thank you, Nikshita and Ritvik, for putting in the on the day link for everybody else. Thank you very much. Super. Rotate and translate. All right. Now here's the cool part. All right. You guys ready for this? So follow along, guys. Everybody look at my screen for this, because otherwise you'll miss what happens, what's going on. Check this out very carefully. So at the top of the code, right at the top, I made some new lines. All right. I'm going to define a variable x. So I'm going to do x. No, actually, let x equal 0. Okay, don't do anything yet. Don't code yet. Just follow what I'm doing. So, at the top. Step 1, define variable. Okay, now what I'm going to do is step 2. Step 2 is change rotation to variable. So instead of 30, I will do x. All right, so I define x is 0. Now I do rotate x. So the axis is normal, right? There's no rotation. Cool. Now, step 3 is increase x. So the way we increase x is x equals x plus 1. All right, see what happens. Cool, right? We got motion, guys. We have animation. All right, so now you guys can go ahead. I will save my code, put my code in chat for everybody. You can use this. So the first thing you do is at the top of the code, make more space at the top of the code, define x. Inside rotate, put x. Huh? Yeah. Inside it, make x, and then at the bottom, increment x. So inside rotate, put x, at the bottom, increment x. All right, let's open this up for questions again. Any questions on this so far? Anybody want to write down that this is damn cool? Anybody want to say cool, awesome. Thank you, Amaya. Nice. Amaya, quick with the keyboard. Nope. Okay, yeah, let's not hypnotize people. Should we? So, okay, what we can do is we can slow down the rotation. We can slow down by doing 0.01. If I change my increase to 0.01, it's very slowly rotating. Very, very slowly rotating. So it's rotating slowly because every time it runs, it's only increasing by 0.01. So if those of you that play games, you guys might know frame rate. So it is running 60 times per second. It's 60 FPS, so 60 frames per second. Okay. All right, hold on. This person's going to be put into. Wait. Okay. Awesome, awesome, awesome. What else are we doing here? So it's rotating slowly. Okay, the other thing we can do is rotate it faster by increasing this to 3. This is rotating much faster, right? Okay, now let me stop this. Otherwise, you guys are going to get rotated. Okay, you guys are going to get hypnotized. So not only rotate works like this. So you can put this x variable anywhere. So let's say I make this 0 for now. So no rotation. So this is normal. I can put this x anywhere. So for example, I can put this x in here, inside background. All right, so let me bring this back. X equals, let's do x equals x plus 0.01. And then remove it. So my variable can go anywhere. So let's see what happens. Maybe it's too small. 5 maybe? Nope, let's try 1. This is supposed to change the background color each time. I'm not sure why it's not changing it. Oh, is it getting lighter? Do you see it's getting lighter? There we go. So because I put x in background, it's my variable. X is changing, so my background is changing. All right, let's put black back inside of here. Okay, we have this rectangle. Let's move this rectangle to the center. Wait 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I moved the rectangle to the center. I can also make this a variable. So let's say instead of this, I can put x. And my rectangle is moving. Right, it's moving across. All right, instead what I can do is I can put it in the y instead of this. So now it's going to move down, right? Okay, so here's a question for you guys. If I want my rectangle to move left, at the moment it's moving right. If I want my rectangle to move left, how would I make it move left? Oh, interesting, minus x. Okay, let's try this, minus x. There we go, it's moving. Yeah. Well done, well done, well done. The other thing you could do, instead of putting the minus over here, we can put minus over here. So the x becomes smaller and smaller and smaller. So this is the starting. At the top is the starting value of x. Okay. At the bottom is the change. All right. Okay, guys, why is the people's advanced link not working? Let's check. Dirk, can you tell Tamir to make sure to let people in? Yeah, guys, it's working. You're just not clicking on the right link. Okay. Yeah, just click on the right link, guys. It's this one. Try these 2 links. All right. We have this thing working. Okay, awesome. Sorry, guys, I think I kicked out somebody incorrect. So my apologies for doing that. Where were we? Okay, so this is moving left. Okay, now, any idea how okay, let me do this. Circle 0, 0, 10. Okay, so I have a small circle in the middle. Any idea on how I can make the circle increase in size over time? How can I make the circle increase in size over time? Make 10x. What does 10x mean? I don't follow 10x. Oh, 10 plus x. Oh, I see. Oh, make 10. Oh, duh. Yeah, make 10x. Yeah, that's what we want to do. We want to replace 10 to x. Good. Yes, of course. All right, I have saved my code again, so you guys should be able to see it. All right, so someone's asking, how do I get the graph in the center? It's using this translate code. So let's put this back to 10. So to get the graph in the center, if I do 50, 50, I translated before I drew the tick axis, translate first. It moves the point of the graph, okay? 200, 200. Okay, you guys want my code link? Okay, thank you, Ishan, for sending in my code link. Ishan, let me make you co-host. And we will pause chat. Okay, how can you make one shape rotate inside another shape? Ooh, okay. Double rotation we will talk about in the evening. If, however, you are very curious to learn, you can go to, nope, not this, PD5JS references. If you're very, very curious to learn, you can go to references and search and learn up push and pop. Push and pop, okay? If you're very, very curious to learn how you can do multiple rotations and things like that, learn push and pop. But we're gonna go through this. Everybody, advanced and new coders are all gonna do this together, okay? All right, so we made circle increase like this. Okay, wait, notice one thing. You remember how I made my circle, X is becoming more and more negative. Why is my circle growing if my X is becoming more and more negative? Does anybody know? All right, guys, and let's not chat with other people in this, all right? Let's not talk to other people in chat. So the reason this is becoming, oh, what happened? Oh, yeah, the reason this is becoming more and more larger and larger is, it's weird. Okay, check this out. So it's a weird thing that this code does is, let's say I draw a circle that is 100 in size. It's a big circle. And if I draw a negative 100 in size, it's just drawing the circle, but like the same size, but in negative space, if that makes sense. So it's weird. Negative 100 is like basically the circle is flipped. You see what I'm saying? So I think this is better, no, maybe not. This is better explained with rectangle. So 0, 0, 100, 100. Okay, so we have a square. Now if I put a negative 100, my square will flip to the other side because it's going more in the negative direction, right? Do you guys see that? This is why it's like that. All right, so the main learning outcome from today is you can define variables and you can have motion based off a variable. So for example, I can do x equals, so I'm gonna do x equals x plus 0.05 and then rotate my x, right? And then I can comment out the tick axes and then only my square will rotate, right? Now, what I can do is I can make another variable. So let's do let's call this something else. Let's call this let Paul equals to 0. And then I'm going to do Paul equals Paul plus 0.01. And then my rectangle can be drawn at Paul. Let's see what happens. It's too slow. Let's try 0.1. Is that doing anything? Let's bring the tick axis back. It is doing something. You see how my like rectangle is sliding slightly? Right? Okay, coordinates Paul. All right, let's try Paul. Somebody wants coordinates Paul. Nice. So it's going further and further. So if we make the circle Paul 20, then we'll get like a spiral. So people that do Strive math classes are very familiar with this. We do this very often. We can do a spiral here. So I drew a circle at Paul. My thing is rotating. Oh no, it's not a Paul. I have to make it Paul 0. Okay, there's a question about how to make something go back and forth. We'll do this. We'll make it go back and forth. It's a good question. It requires sine and cosine. But let me just show you something else with this. Let's make the circle color fill red. Okay, now follow this, guys. You see, you're only seeing the latest circle. I'm going to comment out background. No background. What do you see here? Now you're seeing all of the past circles also. Cool, right? And anyone know why it's black? Anybody know why it's black, even though the circle is red? Does anybody have any guesses? It's overlapping, shadow, not really, outline. There we go, there's an outline. So we can do no stroke. There's a black outline, that's why. Cool. So this function draw runs in, it repeats. It keeps running in a repeat manner, okay? It runs again and again and again. So that's why this code runs again and again and again. So it keeps increasing X, keeps drawing a circle. When we put background black, we only see the latest circle because it's drawing a circle, covering it with the background. Drawing a circle, covering it with the background. Ooh, good question. Okay. Change colors while rotating. Good question. All right, let's try this. We can do this here. So instead, to change colors, we have to use RGB. So 0, 0, 0, because we can't really change the color to in text, right? Instead of 0, 0, 0, we can use X. We can put variables anywhere. So now as this goes, it should become more and more red. Nice. Cool, right? All right, any guesses as to why it's became red and then stayed red? Who has any guesses as to why it became red and stayed red? It reached 255, good. Yeah, max X is 255. So X became more than 255, but code just reads it at 255. Good. How about XXX? Okay, let's try this. So the thing is, if in RGB, if all three colors are the same, it does grayscale. So you'll see it becomes grayscale, and 255, 255, 255 is white. So what we could do is do cool mathematics here. So we could do 255 minus X. Let's see what this does. So this is getting larger, but this is getting smaller. So you see how it starts? It starts at green because green is 255. And then as it progresses, it becomes, what is this, purple or pink? I don't even know. What color is this? It becomes purple, or let me save my code. I've saved my code, guys. You can access it now. Oh, okay, good question. Yeah, how about we try X 2 times X 3 times X. Let's try this. Oh, it'll just become more and more blue, right? Because the blue value is increasing the fastest. Oh, that's cool. Then disappears. Oh, nice. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right. If this is complex, don't worry about it. This is more mathematical. To decrease the size of the spiral, we can just decrease the increment on X or increment on here. So we can do like 0.1, 0.1. And we can decrease the size also to like 5. No, wait, no, don't decrease both, right? Maybe 2? Nope, not this. 2, maybe? Yeah, just play around with these numbers here, and you should be able to get, let me remove fill. Oh, no, we need to fill. There we go. This is how we can get a cool spiral. All right. And now we will do, okay, what we're going to do after this? Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next thing. So you understood, create a variable, put the variable somewhere in your code, and then increase your variable. All right, 3 steps. Create a variable, put your variable in the code somewhere, anywhere, and then increase or decrease your variable. All right, so sending, guys, if you need the link to the code, is it on the website now? Yep, if you need the link to the code, it's right over here. All right, so if anybody asks for the code again, just point them directly to the website, guys. They can get the link to the code. Okay, let's remove this stuff. I'll show you, like, bring background black back. Okay, next thing I can show you. So you remember in the morning we had a ball moving around and the faces were looking at the ball. The eyes were moving with the ball. So this is how we can do this. Circle 200, 250. Okay, so I have a circle in the middle, and then I have these axes, right? All right, check this out. All right, guys, you ready? Mouse X, mouse Y. Pay very close attention, folks. It's capital X and capital Y. And now I can move the ball on the screen. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Right? I can move the ball on the screen. Oh, Syra, thank you so much for sending the code. Just remember to keep the end curly. You forgot to copy the end curly when you sent it in. But thank you for sending that in. Okay. All right, so there is a moving circle. So similar to X and Paul, moving circles can be put anywhere as well. So for example, I can make this 200 and mouse Y. So now my circle only moves up and down. Even if I move my mouse left and right, my circle will only move up and down. Thank you, Atish, for sending the code with the close curly. Wait, what is this? Yeah, okay. Yeah. So, okay, because it's only mouse Y, it's only moving up and down. And then similarly, like before, let's say we make this red, the circle's red. And if we remove the background, as I move, my historical circles will be shown, right? Okay, historical circles are shown. Similarly, mouse X, mouse Y can be put anywhere. For example, I can make my size mouse X. So what do you think will happen? As I go across the screen, as the mouse's X position increases, this number increases, therefore the size of the circle increases. Right? Does that make sense? So as I move my mouse to the right, the circle size increases. Does that make sense, folks? Yeah, all right. So mouse X, mouse Y can be put anywhere. It can be put anywhere, including this, including in mouse X, mouse X, mouse X. So this, as I go right, it becomes grayscale, right? So grayscale. You can also, let's just make it, let's just red, becomes more and more red as I move it to the right. And then let's just spam our code. Let's do 255 minus mouse Y. And then let's do mouse Y. In the circle, we'll do mouse X, mouse Y. And then over here, we're going to be crazy people and do mouse X minus mouse Y. All right, I have no idea what's going to happen. So just like as I move across the screen, a bunch of different things is happening. My size depends on the difference. So if you notice, if I'm along the X equals to Y line, my size will be very small because the difference between mouse X and mouse Y is 0. If I'm further away, the size is very big. So here, let me send this code and I just saved my code. My code is saved, guys. I'll pause for a second here for you guys to just play around with this code a little bit. All right, I'm gonna do a quick poll. Is this cool? Yes or no? Is this cool? Yes or no? Oh, awesome. Okay. What was my question? I forgot my question. Well, we got 94% yeses to whatever my question was. So I forgot my question, guys. What is 94% yes? That seems like a, oh, is this cool? Was that the question? Yeah, this is cool. Oh yeah, this is cool. All right. So if you guys go to the On the Day website, there will be a link to submit. Submit your code so far. Where is it? Show progress of your code. if you guys have something cool to show, we can take a look at it now. So don't, you can submit it here, guys. Please submit it here. I promise I won't rickroll you again. That was one-time thing only. You can trust my bit.ly links now. That was a one-time thing only. All right. Hey, Varun, you want to stop sending it on the group here and fill it out in the form? And then I'll actually open it up, okay? Let's see. Do we have any new submissions? We do. Let's see, what is this? Nice. So this person's got many, many circles going. Let me just open it. No. Nope, nothing here. This is a Tamir link. Let's see. Aryan. Okay, what's going on here? Hey, cool, nice, 2 circles. That's awesome. I love it. What else? Let's see her code. Nice, cool face. No variables, but awesome face. I love it. What do we have here? Nice, nice. That's a really cool art sketchpad, actually. Why is it not following my mouse? Oh, interesting. Why is it not? How do we get it? Huh. You see how the code, there's no circles here. Why is that? Oh, how did that happen? What? Okay, interesting. Let's try this. Awesome. Let's try this. Whoa, cool. Hey, nice. Whoa. Nicely done. Oh, there's a basketball. There's a hoop. Whoa, cool. No. Let's go. Oh, come on. Whoa, how'd you make it bounce? But Arush, can you please do classes and show me how you did this? Arush, please sign up for Strive Math classes. I'd love for you to show me how you did this. And then, dude, I don't know how to make this. Oh, come on, man. Can there be a cheat code so I win every time? I'm not winning. No, okay, I got him. Ah. Oh, yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's go! All right. Thank you guys. Thank you. I'm call me LeBron. Yeah, the future of LeBron James. That's what Arush imagined. I love it. That's awesome. Dude, these are really cool. I love it. These are really cool. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, no code here. Let's see here. Ooh, we got a white one. We got it on a white background. Nice, they got all the mouse. Oh, okay, notice, guys, notice how this person has fill mouse, they have the quotations still. So remove the quotations, and then this will work. So when you do numbers in fill, you don't need the quotations. Quotation is only for words. Let's see, what else do we have? Whoa, pretty. Nice. They've got a cool plum. I didn't even, what are these colors? How are you guys finding these colors? I had no idea this worked. Cool. Whoa, what's going on? Hey, what is this? Okay, hold on. What do we have to do here? Whoa, that's awesome. Let's run this again. Whoa, this is soccer, right? I think it's ice hockey, yeah. Whoa. I love how you have this entire face moving. How did you do this? Is it algebraic? Okay, nice. So this person used algebra to define the position of the blue person each time. Yeah, this is the beginner group, guys. Let's see, do we have any more submissions? right, let's go through these quickly. We're almost running out of time. What do we have here? Hey, nice. This person also used algebra. 3 circles with mouse X, mouse Y. I love it. How does that work? Huh. Okay. Whoa, beautiful. Nice, nice spiral with the lime color. I like it. Oh, nice. This person made the eyes move. Awesome. That's really cool. Wait, the tongue moves also. Oh, how do you do this? How do they do this? Okay. Oh, they use if statements. Ah, I see. Okay. Where about the tongue? Also if statements. Ah, cool. I like it. Guys, you don't need to use advanced stuff. Even like cool drawings is okay. Nice. We got a rotating canvas. I love it. Good job. What's here? Nice. This is so cool. In the middle, there's like only tiny stuff in the middle. Whoa. Wait, what? Wait, this is trippy. What's going on here? What? Black? Wait, why is it white? Ah. Oh, as you go higher. Whoa, cool. So this is the future of bosses, maybe. Okay, like it. What else do we have? Nice. Ooh, okay, this mouse. Oh, this is transparent. Did they figure out how to do transparent? Nice. So notice this person put another variable, the fourth variable in Phil, right? Phil had 3 variables. This person put a 4th one, and that's transparency. So let me show you this, for example, 0, 0. Okay, so this is a red circle. As I move right, it becomes less transparent. As I move left, it becomes more transparent. So smaller values for this is more transparent, it seems. Larger values for this is less transparent. Large, less transparent, small, more transparency. Which is weird, right? Should it be the opposite way, guys? Potentially. So good job on using that. What's going on here? Oh wait, what's the first circle? Oh, there's a spiral and you can draw. Whoa. Cool. Guys, check it out. I'm an artist. What do you think? Am I not a beautiful artist? As in, isn't my art beautiful? Look at that. Gorgeous. No, people don't like it. Yeah. That's all right. Don't blame me, blame the code, guys. All right, cool. That belongs in a museum. Thank you. Let's see what else. All right, so that was it for today. So things we covered were variables. So let me make this code in a way so that you can find it. Let x equals 0, and then we will do rotate x at bottom, x equals x plus 1. Then now bring this down. Cool. All right, so as you move your thing, it will move around. This is very tricky to get. Yeah. All right, this is my code. You guys have everything in here. You have the variables, you have the mouse X, mouse Y. Remember, it's capital Y, capital X. Are there any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay, no stroke. So here, let's pause this for a second. All right, no stroke. What no stroke does, it removes the outline. So you see how there's like a black outline right now? There's a black outline around the thing. No stroke removes the outline. Can I make a server? You can try making a server-based game. Absolutely. Yeah, you can try do anything you want. Can you repeat how the Paul variable works? Okay, the variable working is you define a variable at the start. So step one, oops. Step one, define variable. Step two, use the variable somewhere. And step three, change the variable. So this variable name can be anything. This can be like Mount Kilimanjaro for all you care. But we use X, Y, A, B, things like that. How do you make a kaleidoscope? Kaleidoscope, I don't know. Let's see. Kaleidoscope. I think kaleidoscope. P5JS. There you go. Run. Okay, every time you click. Whoa, every time you move your mouse across. Whoa, cool. Nice. All right, so you can take a look at this. You can just Google search stuff. Okay, any other questions? I'll open up chat again. Any other questions? All right, guys, we're not going to open up any more links at the moment. Oh, okay, randomize. Yes, okay, good question. Yes, we can absolutely randomize. So for randomize, we can use instead of, let's say, instead of fill, let's do 255, 255, 255. Okay, this is a really good question. Randomize, instead of the number, okay, we can use this function here called random. And then the minimum of the number, 0, and the maximum of this. So you see how like it's changing colors, it's being randomized. So the minimum is 0, the maximum is 255, and every time this code runs, it will pick a new random value and put it in here. So you can randomize anything at all. So you can randomize your position, you can randomize your size. So let's do random between -200 to +200 on the x-axis, and random -200. And does anybody know why I'm using -200 and 200? Any guesses? On the y-axis. Yeah. Because, so don't we have to make the random library? No, random, this random exists in P5. This one exists in P5. That's why you don't need to import this function. And yeah, good answer, Tanya. I use -200 so that it shows up in the left quadrants also. And I can also do at the top in setup, right? In setup, I can do frame rate 10. So this is saying that this code will run 10 times per second. So it should be slower now, right? Good question. Very good question about randomizing. Awesome. Well, guys, we are over time. Ooh la la. All right, let's just get some more feedback from you guys. It is, huh? Okay, you're sending a chat. Okay. All right, so we will send a new link in chat. If you guys could please fill out the feedback. This is the feedback form. We love your feedback. Workshop number, this is workshop number 2. And how is workshop, how we can improve. Hey, cool, this is a cool form. Nice. I remember to use the input to the level also. And talk about it. Yeah, so you guys can fill out this feedback form for us, please. All right, so the next thing on the agenda is it fun session? fun hour at 5 p.m. All right, at 5 p.m. we're all gonna jump on and we're gonna play a few Kahoots and we're gonna try a few other games. Right, this is an optional session. Well, like everything else, everything has been optional today. It's gonna be a fun session. I'll be leading it. Potentially Tamir might also join. And then we will play some fun games together. Office hours will resume on here. And if there's any questions, you can put in chat. Don't forget to subscribe to me on YouTube. I need 1,000 subs so that I can monetize my YouTube page. Okay, it's really annoying. Let's see, how many subs do I have right now? Okay, I have 320. All right, I'm gonna put this in chat also. Because if I get to 1,000, I can monetize my YouTube page, right? I need Monday. So can you guys click the subscribe button so I can monetize my YouTube page, please? All right, let's see, we got 320 subs. How many do we got now? 330, let's go, 10 more subs, I'm closer to monetizing. All right, guys, we only need like 670 more people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, let's see, did this change again? Let's go, 338. Now I need 662 people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then I can monetize. That's right. Let's see, how are the recordings coming along? 1 second, are the recordings processed yet? Guys, I'm sorry, the morning recording still isn't processed for some reason. Zoom is taking a long time. I'm sorry, I want to put these on YouTube for you guys. I'll try to put them tomorrow. Hopefully they'll be done processing by tonight. All right, so let me now stop the recording, put on some